Okay, good. Whatever time it is that you're viewing this. Um, it's about 34 degrees out, according to Google. And I just wanted to show you guys really quickly a first impression of my new Soto Amicus. I've got 2 cups of water here in my Snow Peak 600. And let's start out with some weights. Now, just kind of as a reference, I know they're not exactly the same stove and not really that comparable because of the more pot stands and the little bit taller, and this one's got the stealth ignition and the BRS doesn't. But here's my BRS, and I just wanted to show you guys really quickly the height difference. Okay, look at that. It's about an inch, inch and 3/4 difference. I'm sorry, not inch, inch and 3/4, 3/4 of an inch to an inch of difference. So the Soto's pretty tall, actually. That's all I wanted that one for. The Soto is about 79 grams, or 2.77 ounces, and that's pretty close to what they quote you at when you get online, or when you get it. They say it's closer to 2.5, but whatever, not a big deal. So really quickly, just a real fast boil test, just to see how much this thing uses. That's 179 grams to start. One other thing I want to show you guys, the difference between a $12 stove and a $50 stove, at least one that's engineered. Did you hear that? It's about 13 seconds of air pressure. Not 13 seconds, maybe 2. But anyway, let's reweigh this thing. 178 grams. That was a whole gram right there, just screwing that thing off and on, that the BRS uses. Okay. One of the things I'm actually pretty excited about is that stealth ignition. It's worked okay in the past. See? Works okay. Start the timer. Now here's one of the things I really like about this. Watch as I blow on it. Oop, you can blow it out. But I was blowing really hard. And I was right up against it too. So if you've got it anywhere near any kind of windbreak or anything like that, it's going to be pretty well protected. Here we are. 327, and we've got a very good boil going. Really took my lid right off. So, that's not too shabby. 2 cups of water, 3 minutes, 27 seconds, in 35-degree weather. 34 now. Pretty cool. Not a bad little stove. I'll check on Backcountry and see if that deal's still there. If it is, I'll have it linked on the site. But great little stove. So far, I'm pretty impressed that it's only been 2 boils, but it's been doing just bomber out here in this hot weather. Cold weather, Jesus. Alright, just to see. Yesterday, the thing used about 8 grams of fuel. I don't know if you guys can see this. We were at 179, 178, so it's 171 grams. So we used 7 grams of fuel, boiling 2 cups of water in 3.5 minutes in 34-degree weather. Not bad. I should also mention the water's been sitting out all day long, and the high today was about 50, and it got there about noon. It's 8:12 p.m. right now here in Colorado, so stellar, stellar performance with this stove so far. I am extremely happy. Thanks, Hike and Jim.